I'm using this to track my face down while I'm driving. Very interesting. Yeah, so you can actually put this here and you can still able to have the tracking device. Wow. Interesting. A cop thinks it's gonna be a gun. He's like, what is that? Woo! He's like, what is that, a gun? No, it's not a gun. It's a gimbal. Woo! He's probably gonna pull me over. Interesting. Yeah. Yeah, so it's a little bit awkward if you use this as a handheld device, especially you have it like this in America. You know, you're driving around your car, they're gonna think it's a gun, you know. Just letting you guys know here. And now just look